In the middle. I'll be in the middle. We'll go in the middle. You're with him, right?
Yes. We'll go in the middle. We'll go in the middle.
Just fly right in the middle. Keep going down. Keep going down. Keep going down. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Garry Berry Stadium for tonight's ribbon cutting ceremony as we reopen Garry Berry Stadium. Last October, many people came together in a collaborative process to help us in our commitment to rebuild, reimagine, and rediscover Colorado Springs School District 11. Garry Berry was lucky enough to be one of the first recipients of our facilities master plan in terms of our rebuild. Tonight I am joined by many of our downtown folks that helped get us to tonight. With us tonight is our Deputy Superintendent of Achievement, Learning, and Leadership, Angela Dominguez. Our Chief Communications Officer is Ms. Deborah Ashby. Our Executive Directors of School Leadership, Mr. Dan Hoff, Ms. Sherry Callback, Mr. Brian Relic, and Dr. Brandon Comfort. Executive Director of Student Wellness is Mr. Corey Notstein. From our Facilities Department, Executive Director Mr. Terry Seaman. From our Ground Shop, Mr. Jesse Nestor, Chris Thompson. From my office, I have a very special thank you to my assistants, Rose Simmons, and our Assistant Director of Athletics, Jan Ulrich. Thank you to you two. They had to deal with me on a daily basis. Another person that had to deal with me on a daily basis is Mr. Travis Whitley. He's our project manager that was in charge of this remodel, so thank you, Travis, for being here as well. A lot of us had a big dream to redo our turf, to put in a state-of-the-art video board, sound system, as well as track. With those dreams, we needed somebody that could help us plan it, build it, and get us to tonight. The Regional Vice President from Field Turf is with us tonight, Mr. Jed Easterbrook. Thank you, Jed, for being here tonight and your work. Once the plan was in place, we needed support from our board. We are very lucky in District 11 to have a board that is willing to push and make sure that District 11 is on the right track as we rediscover ourselves. From our board tonight, Mr. Chris Wallace is here with us, Jason Jorgensen, Darlene Daniels, Dr. Parth Melpackham, Miss Julie Ott, and it's my pleasure to introduce our school board president, Mr. Sean Gullickson.
Thank you, Mr. Knoll. And welcome everybody to the new Garry Berry Stadium. I'm excited to be out here to welcome you to this field, a field that I once played on as a student at Mitchell High School. And I'm guessing many of you in the stands have played on this field as well. And so on behalf of the Board of Education, our district leadership, we welcome you to a new era at Garry Berry Stadium. In D11, this is our house. And tonight, we're going to turn it over to these two teams to take it over and to protect it. So welcome to a new era in Garry Berry and District 11. Thank you.
At this time, if you would go ahead and let's reopen Garry Berry with the cutting of that ribbon. Thank you very much. We appreciate you all for being here tonight. Enjoy the game.